tell you about a girl I know. She's my baby and she lives next door. Well, every morning before the sun comes up, she brings me coffee in my favorite cup. That's why I know, yes I know, hallelujah, I just love her so. I'm having trouble and I have no friends. I know she'll stay with me until the end. But everybody asks me how I know. I smile at them and say she told me so. That's why I know, oh I know, hallelujah, I just love her so. And when I call her on the telephone and tell her that I'm all alone, by the time I count from 1 to 4, I hear her on my door. And in the evening when the sun goes down and there is nobody else around, she kisses me and she holds me tight. She tells me, Daddy, everything's alright. That's how I know, oh I know, hallelujah, I just love her so. When I call her on the telephone and tell her that I'm all alone, by the time I count from 1 to 4, I hear her on my door. And in the evening when the sun goes down and there is nobody else around, she kisses me and she holds me tight. It tells me, Daddy, everything's alright. That's why I know, yes I know, hallelujah, I just love her so. Hallelujah, I love her so. Hallelujah, I just love her so. Hallelujah, I love her so. Hallelujah, I love her so.